been a bad Scapiana.
I just want you to focus, pull me in, pull me closer.
What's up, core crew? Welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Courtney Janine, and I'm back with another video. In today's video, I'm bringing you guys another wig review. I'm super excited. Let me check. I asked you guys on TikTok which one should I do. I think Isabella is winning, so we're gonna do Isabella first. Today's video I will be reviewing the Outre melted hairline collection. If you're new to my channel, this is my ultimate favorite synthetic wig collection ever. My all-time favorite wigs from this collection is definitely Natalia and Kamaya. I have those reviews on my channel, so definitely check them out if you have not seen them. Today I am reviewing Miss Isabella. She looks like this. She's super cute. I'm gonna try her on for you guys, and then I'll just do the styling portion, and then I'll come back after I have full glam and give you guys the tea on if you should purchase her or not. So let's go ahead and open her up. I'm super excited to see how she looks. The stock card, it does look like it's a yaki texture, and that's what it said on the website, so I am super excited. So like I said, this is the melted hairline lace front wig. So it comes with a pre-part. It's basically a lace front part, but so what's really good about this is that it does come with a lace part, but not only that, but they do give you like a hairline look so that you're able to pluck it if you want. I picked it up in the color 1B. It looks like a really cute bob. I'll show you guys what the stock card looks like. Outre does an amazing job with their stock cards. Like, the models always look put together. So it comes in the standard colors, and the special colors that this comes in is red velvet, cinnamon spice, golden honey, sandy blonde, chocolate truffle, and hazelnut honey, I believe. So you guys should definitely check that out if you're interested in the color chocolate truffle. I do have a review on their melted hairline Audrina, and I got it in that color. I love that color. So let me just open it up. One thing about the melted hairline collection is that it does come with elastic band, which helps to make the wig seem very secure on your head, so you don't have to be worried about, oh my gosh, this hairline looks amazing. You don't have to really worry about your wig coming off because you got the elastic band, you have an adjustable strap, and then you have a comb in the back and 2 combs on the side. So here is the hair. Really cute. It reminds me of Martina a bit, but here's the hairline as well. Really good, right? Let me just try her on. Oh my gosh, she's so cute. Like, she's everything that I wanted and more. I'm sorry. She really is. Wow, like, she looks so natural. This is about to be that everyday wig, you know? Oh, this is beautiful. Okay, we're gonna have some fun with her. She looks so good, and I actually think I am. You guys know I'm so picky about middle parts and not doing a middle part, but I think I'm gonna do a middle part with this. Fingers crossed I'm able to like get it, but let's just shift it to see if I was to do, see, yeah, it wouldn't really work. Like, with this wig, I couldn't even do my shifting thing unless I wanted to go in and cut. So yeah, we'll have to do I will have to go in and make it work with this middle part. You guys know I'm here for the girls with the widow's peak, but we're gonna make this work today. This is so freaking cute. I'm gonna go do my makeup, and then I'll do the styling portion, and then we'll get into the pros and cons. But this is her right out the box. You see I didn't pluck at all, and she's giving Scapiana. I've been a bad Scapiana. No, she's so cute. I mean, okay.
To focus, gotta keep your composure like you tryna earn that diploma. Do it over and over, yeah. Make it pop Coca-Cola. Keep it hot Barcelona. But she's turned to a white dress. Looks so good when I'm naked, yeah. I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my, I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my, I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my, just focus on my love. Yeah. Just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my, just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my, just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my, I just want you to focus. Pull me in, pull me closer. Give me that diagnosis. Blow my mind like explosions. Just one touch leaves me helpless. On repeat like it's endless. That she's turned to a white dress. Looks so good, damn you did this, yeah. I just want you to focus on my love. Just
okay guys, so here is the final look of Miss Isabella. I really do like her, but before I give you guys the final rating on if you should pick her up or not, let me give you guys the pros and the cons. So I already let you guys know that the melted hairline collection is my favorite synthetic wig collection, period. Just because I love the lace, how easy it is to melt it down, and at this point they come in like every single style that you could possibly want. Isabella is a really natural looking bob type of thing. It is asymmetrical. I was hoping, I don't know, when I saw the stock card I almost was like maybe I shouldn't get her because I had a feeling that she was going to be asymmetrical. As you can see, it is tapered so that it's longer in the front and it's a little bit shorter in the back, which is cute, but like I don't like the asymmetrical look on my face, so if I knew that it was actually asymmetrical I probably wouldn't have picked it up, but she's cute nonetheless. I actually tried to add a little bit of baby hairs, as you guys can see. So yeah, I was trying to do the absolute most for Miss Isabella. So let's get into the cons. She did shed a bit for me. The only time I did get tangling was when I was going through with my hot comb to like press it down and stuff. It did get like snagged in the hair a couple times. It's similar to Martina, where you can kind of see the texture in the unit, if that makes sense. Like you can kind of see the crimps a bit, which I'm not a huge fan of. But if you want them to go away, you can simply just get a flat iron. They didn't go away when I used my hot comb, if you want to get those kinks out. But it is a light yaki texture. Like it's really soft to the touch. You can tell that it's yaki just because of that texture that you see in the hair. The con for me is definitely the style. Like I like it, but I just don't like asymmetrical bobs on me. So you guys know I don't like asymmetrical units in general. Like I reviewed Miranda as well, and she was kind of asymmetrical and I was just like not here for it. I wish that we can get just a bob where it's like completely all one unit, like all one length, instead of like asymmetrical where it goes, it's tapered and longer in the front. This actually reminds me of Outre Annie. I did not actually purchase Outre Annie just because I really stick to the melted hairline collection and I stick to the perfect hairline collection with Outre, but I know that a lot of people did review it and it looks like this type of bob look to it. But that's really my only con, is that I did get a bit of shedding. I did get a bit of tangling when I was going through with my hot comb. Big con is the style. I thought it wouldn't be asymmetrical, but it is, so that's a huge turn off for me. This unit I do, because it's asymmetrical though, you can't really like maneuver it too much because you could definitely see the cut. But I would have definitely prefer to switch this just because I hate middle parts on me, just because of my widow's peak, because I have to pull down the wig further down on my face so that it's in front of the widow's peak, but which kind of makes me look like I have a short forehead. It's just a lot. But that's the huge con for me, is the style of the unit, just because it's not all one length, which I'm not a huge fan of. Let's get into the pros. The pros is definitely this hairline. You guys saw when I initially showed you guys the unit straight out the box, the hairline was phenomenal, but that's what you can expect with the melted hairline collection. I really did like the baby hairs. I even like played with them a little bit today, so yeah, I tried it. The texture is really nice. Like I love a light yaki. It doesn't tangle as much with this texture, so you're able to get a lot more wear out of it. If you like this style, I definitely think that this is the perfect wig for you. It's under $40. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it. I'll try to really be bringing the heat with these units. I am really a fan. I really would like their next bob unit to be just one length for the GWORLZ, because I mean, it's cute, but it's not my fave. But let me know your thoughts on Miss Isabella. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy wig reviews, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.